Yeah, hi guys. Today I want to talk about one important topic. And the topic is learn how to love with your head, with this your head, not your heart. I've get a lot of messages about this topic, and this topic is a powerful topic. Many are died because of their love with their heart. Many are frustrated because they love with their heart. Many are in the grave because they love with their heart. This love is causing a lot of problems in individuals this time. So I decided to bring this topic out for both our men and our women to love with their head, not their heart. Even me, as I'm talking, this the same incident happens to me last 2 years. When I broke up with my ex, I tried to end it because it looked like when you are frustrated, you look like you cannot even find love again, and you cannot ever see any man in your life again that you are going to love. I just think all I'm thinking that moment is to end my life. To the extent I went extra mile to go to a chemist and mix overdose drugs. Do you know how much? I don't even remember because it had been long. But all I remember is that I told the chemist man to give me 6 doses of medicine. And when I come back, I drink all. Luckily to me, my sister is the one that saved my life. I could have been in a grave by this time around because of love. Because I love with my heart. Guys, just learn how to love with this. Only your head, not your mind. Not your heart. Because this heart is too expensive for a person to cause you a lot of pains. It's too expensive for a person to break it into pieces and left you just like that. It's too expensive for a person to frustrate your life and you thought that your life is miserable, that you cannot even move forward, you cannot even do without the person. It's too expensive. I made a one video last time I upload when a one lady is crying bitterly about what her ex have done to her. Yeah. It seems like this world is ended. I'm just bringing this topic because of our young youth. Learn how to, because I have a lot of I used to talk with the experience I have, the messages I got in my inbox. That's how I used to make my own video. Many people have gone into a lot of pains because of the love with their heart. Simple. Some people don't even know what is love is all about. They don't know. When you love a person, you cannot even bother to come to that person and tell the person that, hey, I love you, I love you, I love you. When you love a person, stay by and monitor the person. Stay by and monitor the character of the person. Stay by and monitor what makes the person happy and what makes the person unhappy. Stay by and think, ask yourself question, am I going the right direction or am I making a mistake? Not to come into a person's life. I want to ask a question. Are you married? I love you. I want to have a relationship with you. All those things is nonsense. It seems nothing to me. Because I don't know you. I don't even love you. I don't even have any trace on you. How can you wake up overnight and telling me you love me? I will see you like a fake scammers. You cannot even bother come to a person and start telling the person I love you, I do this one and do the other one. No. It's not working in that way. Some people don't even know the meaning of love. That's my own annoyed. Let me tell you guys, Love simply means kindness, honest, kindness, because when you are kind to a person, he will develop love. For me, I don't know for another person, but for me, when you are kind to me, when you are kind to me and doing some certain things, doing some certain things that I don't even expect, doing some certain things that I like, doing some certain things that make me happy, I will start developing love for you. It simply means kind. Not to barge into that person inbox and start telling the person I love you, I love. Which kind? I don't even believe on those fucking love. Love is kind. How you are kind to someone where you met. How you are honest. Some men don't even honest. Some men will barge into your privacy, and when you tell them, say, oh, I'm sorry, I cannot accept your demands, they will start insulting you just like that. Those ones that told you they love you, they will start insulting you immediately when you rejected their offer. It seems that that person love you. When you love person, you cannot even boldly stand in front of that person and insult the person. It can't. Love covered everything. Some people will be saying love is blind, love is blind. Which kind blind? Love is not blind. Love they see. Koro koro. Why can you tell me say love is blind? If love is blind, that means I can't see you. You can't see me if your love is blind. Love is not blind. Love can see. That's why you see me and telling me you love me. It simply means when you are kind, that kindness. Some people will come to you, hi. Please, can you subscribe? Subscribe means nothing. It doesn't cost money. It doesn't cost anything. But then we find it difficult for them to subscribe. What did you call yourself? Are you a friend or you are what? Are you still telling me you love me? Where you can't do anything. I never even asked you about money. Let me say, because money is not love. I never asked you anything about money. I just love you. Something you can do for me that will make me happy. Something you can do without money. And you are telling me that I should offer my number before you can now subscribe to my channel. What does that mean? It doesn't make sense to me. It doesn't even signify that you are serious for what you are saying. Because without you even told for you to subscribe, I've tried to have go into my profile, you have seen me, you have seen Maureen TV show, you have seen what I'm doing, and you like it. You wanted to send me a request, and immediately I send you that my channel. You don't even need for me to tell you that to subscribe before you will go ahead and subscribe. You don't even need that. Some people will say, give me your WhatsApp number before I will not subscribe. What a mess. Did then me bargain with you say I dey look for man wey be say I want to share my number give before you will not subscribe to my channel? All those things is sign of fakes. You are not there for good. You are there for to collect that my number. Even I give you my number, I decide not to talk to you. Does it make any sense to you? I can give you my number and I will decide not to speak with you. So let's know how to love with our head, not our mind, because this mind is like gold. Some people have messed it up. You cannot even barge into me and start telling me about love. Where we say, I never see you, I never met you, we never even talk for once, I never even know say you're kind of person that exists. You can come into me and telling me about love. No, love doesn't work in that way. For my own side, doesn't work in that way. Don't even exist. Love is simply means kind. Some people would say maybe, have you eaten? When you are capable to ask a woman, have you eaten? You are capable to solve the problem when you told you that I never ate. Not you are capable to ask the woman, have you eaten? Oh, I haven't ate. You are not telling you are not serious. I know you have ate. You are not this. How can you get mind to ask questions, but you cannot get mind to solve the problem? You don't know whether You are seeing me. I'm dressing well. I'm clothing. I'm just showing up for social media. You don't even know my story. You don't even know me. You don't even know how I cope. You don't even know how I manage living my life. And you ask me if I have eaten. I will not tell no. I don't have money or I don't have food. You are not telling me it's a lie. It's a camouflage that I have food, but I'm just lying. Let me put it in that way. You don't know me. You don't know whether if I'm have or not. You see me for social media, I dress well, I talk, I do everything. It doesn't mean that I have. You are not in my pocket. Situation can change by way. Maybe a person who cannot have anything in the house that particular day. You ask that question. It doesn't mean that the person is broke, or it doesn't mean that the person is not eating well, or it doesn't mean that the person is not dressing well. If you know you cannot able to do something, don't ask questions. Some people even go extra mile to ask you, what did you eat? So if I ate, let me say, I don't have anything in the house, I drink water, or I ate pancake, I ate only bread, I will not start explaining to you that I ate bread, or I ate pancake, or I even drink gari. I will not explain it to you. And meanwhile, you don't even have solution to my problem. Oh. Maybe you are just asking so that you will have a tangible thing to insult me later. Because one guy do it like that one day. I just even tried the guy. Say, I don't have anything. I lack. I don't have food in the house. He later insulted me and telling me that, see you. You don't even have food for house. You are making mad. I'm trying to even to help you. You are just making mad because you don't want to give me my number. You don't want to give your number. And you want me to send you money for food. This one. He started insulting himself. My dear. All those things is not sign of love. Love can make you spend your last card. Love can make you even thief and give that person. Love can make you will do undo. That's me. I don't know how to love, but when I love, oh, that's why I try to build this topic because of some people that normally came to my inbox and decided to insult themselves in the name of love. Besides, I did not tell anybody that I'm searching for love. Because love is so hot. It can hurt. But when you realize that how you love with this your head or how you take your decisions, love can never hurt you again. I'm a kind of person that I can do undo to anybody. Not even I can love, not even only men. I can my fellow women, a child, anybody at all. If I feel like to do something, when I have that the kindness in me, I will go ahead and do something I wanted to do without looking back. And I normally honest to my fellow human being, but if he choose to come to my inbox, insult me or disrespect me because I simply told you, see how I live my own life, and he choose to come to correct me or choose to do otherwise in my inbox, guy, I don't have any reason than to drop that honest and give you what you want. Let's learn how to love with our head, not mind. Because as I see me now, I'm not loving again with my mind, I'm loving with my head. This is my head. I can tell that I love you. Love doesn't mean anything. It's very easy to say with mouth. It's very easy to say. It's very easy to say, but it's very hard to prove. Before you see a person that proves to you gently that he really loves you, it's scarce. It's very, very scarce. Can you die for me? When you tell me that you love me, can you die for me? Can you die for my sake? Can you thief for my sake? Can you mad for my sake? Can you drop into river for my sake? Eh? Can you commit any crime for my sake? That's all about love. When you love person, you can do undo. Even the person send you to say, go and thief, you will go. That is love. You will do whatever the person said for you to please the person. For you for not to lost that love you have for that person. It can do undo to love a person. I don't know. I'm just saying this thing because it's very clear that our people don't even know what's the meaning of love. It's simple mean kindness. It's simple mean kindness. Stop coming into me and telling me that you love when you know say you don't even love, you don't even care. You are just camouflage. Who are you camouflaging with? Did that look like a camouflage woman? Simple tell me that you love me. I understand you love me and you love with your head, not your mind. Yes, accepted it. It's like that because what I'm saying in social media is I love you with your head, not to your mind. And that's why I bring this topic of today. To love with your head, not your mind. Because I cannot even love this. My hand is very expensive for a person to come and break it or to come and hurt me or to come and bring sorrow for me. No, it's too expensive there. I can't take such from anybody. Honest. Some men refuse to be honest this time around. They can't be honest. You will be showing them kindness, you'll be showing them honest, they will be rejecting it. You will see a woman, he will bug up a guy from a train station to her house, feed her, give her life, give her everything. At the last, he broke the, messed the person up. Even if some guys are still passing a lot of these pains. You will see a man, he will train a woman for college, university, all those things, all those level. Give her life. At the end, he will still mess everything up and leave the guy. If it is between the two sides, women used to hurt, men used to hurt. But all I want to say in this topic is that some get head, but then don't get her cap. Some have cap, but then don't see head to put the cap. That's all it is. And I come to understand that some people don't even love with their heart, but simple love with this their head because they are looking for something. When they get that thing they want from you, they will not discharge. Yes, I'm not the type. Because as I am now, nothing you can do for me. Because I know the Chukwokikabiama I'm serving. I know they lack because I'm a kind woman. I never beg because I'm a kind woman. She understand. When you are kind, when you have a good heart, it can never lack in this world. Because God will always stand by you and provide for you. Your enemy will be wondering what making this person to grow, to shine every blessed day. But they cannot figure it because you are kind. Your heart was made with good. They'll be wondering until they're gone. You will still exist. They will no more exist. That's my topic today. If you are kind, be that kind and stop deceiving people with fake love. But if you would know that you are not kind, simple means that leave all those things you are doing, leave all those fake life, leave everything and focus to your God. Because when you know the God you are serving, you can never put to shame. Let's forget about this fake love we are talking in social media. I love. Once you get what you want now, you not remember love. Once the person give you attention now, you will not remember love. Let's be sincere. It's very simple. Learn how to love with your head, not your mind. Many has gone because of the love with their heart. If not because of God's grace, I've been in a grave today because I love with my heart. I normally love with my heart. People always ask questions. Why you don't want to listen to anybody? It depends on what you've gone through. When you go through a lot of things, a lot of hardship, you will now choose the kind of life that you wanted to live in your life. Someone who came to insult you, your mate don't marry. Ask the stupid person whether he mate never married too. Someone came to curse you, single mother, when they say they don't know even your story. Then just choose like to insult because you did not accept what they asked for. They will choose to insult. He can insult though, but not for me, Maury. Because if he came to my inbox to insult me, he cannot make away with it. That's me because I hate insult. I don't insult anybody, but don't bring insult in my inbox. When you respect yourself, I respect you. That's me. But when you choose to come into my inbox to insult yourself, I will help you and you will reach your demand. I love you guys. I so much love you guys. For those that are supporting me, for those that subscribe to my channel, for those that have been there for me, for those that have been sharing my my posts, my videos, my everything, for those that share, for those that not ask before they do something to me. I appreciate you guys. I love you guys. For those that asking, that came to ask, that came to see whether they will read for what they did not sow. I love you guys also. But remember to love with your head, not your mind, because nobody can make use of my heart again. I love everybody. It simple mean love. Love doesn't mean anything. It simply mean kindness. I'm kind to anybody that come across me. That's me. It's very simple. If you feel like to love me back, you are free. If you're looking for something, now you know. See you guys in my next video, please. For those that never subscribe to my channel, please subscribe. Click the notification bell so that whenever I posted a video, you will be the first person to link. Thank you guys. One love. Bye. See you guys in my next video. And let's not forget the topic of today. Learn how to love with your head, not your mind. Bye.